Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a PDF invoice generator web application that I developed inside the browser. I have also deployed this. I've also given the demo link in the description of the video. You can check out this. So what this application does, it actually generate a PDF invoice for you instantly directly in the browser. So this is the interface. So here you fill out your company name, your email address, and instantly live preview side by side you will see the invoice will be created. It's developed entirely inside HTML, CSS and JavaScript. As you can see, I'm writing the information. You basically write here the address, then you basically provide your invoice number, invoice date, due date. Here you can even select the currency. Various currencies are supported. And then you provide the information about the client, email address, phone number. So I've given the source code uh, link in the description. You can purchase the source code. So here you basically provide the items, you can provide the rate, and based upon that the items will be also be added. You click the add item button to add multiple items, and here you can also adjust the quantity as well. So as you can see in the right hand side, automatically as you are providing the data, everything invoice is creating automatically. Lastly, we can even put a discount and a text as well. So then you have this button of download PDF, and instantly as you click the download PDF button, your PDF will be created invoice, and this is the end result you will get. Nice invoice document for your company. So everything has been captured. So I have given the link of that source code. You can directly purchase it. So once you purchase it, you will get this source code. It's almost round about 800 lines of code. It's entirely built inside HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So it's very simple to deploy and run. You can basically open it in VS Code, simply run it with a simple local server. So we are running it on localhost, as you can see. It's very simple to deploy as well. You can purchase a domain name, just host the static tool, which directly runs in the browser. You fill out the details, and instantly at the right hand side, the invoice will be created. And here you fill out the information related to the client. So I have used two libraries for this, html2canvas and jsPDF, for building this invoice generator. So once you get the source code, you will be able to see how I created and also be able to modify the source code. So this is HTML2canvas, and the second library is JSPDF, which is a PDF generation library. So we have used these two libraries for building this PDF invoice generator with live preview. Please check the link for the demo and also the payment link. So both the links are given in the description. So this is the actual web application. So it's a really nice application which can generate your PDF invoice documents really easy.